Enjoy the presentation.
This investment proposal seeks to set up an eSports gaming and entertainment center, called GameLAN. By setting up networks of computers and consoles that are able to capture and show off the entertainment and marketability of eSports, gamers will be able to enjoy playing new and exciting games without having to purchase the equipment and software associated with a high-quality gaming experience. Worldwide gaming industry generates in excess of $109 billion per year. The GameLAN business model exploits the fact that gamers want to play new games with friends. Esports competitions draw live audiences and streaming crowds. The Intel Extreme Masters World Championships had over 46 million views. Esports is the fastest growing market with limitless participants and fans. Focus on mass appeal games, but offer a wide variety of games. Distinctive party and competitive gaming. Location with high visibility, easy access, and abundant parking. Advertising locally with schools, sport organizations, and businesses. Leagues and tournaments sponsored by local businesses, organizations, and prominent individuals. A variety of games to play, watch, and compare. Lag-free gaming will bring in all the gamers with bad connections and slow PCs at home. Game streaming of events, for viewing and training classes. YouTube Studio for a strong online presence. And create gamer teams. With a population of just over 500,000 people in the Torrance, South Bay, Palos Verdes area. 25% of those are of target gamers age 7 to 25, 125,000 potential customers. 65% of these are gamers, according to Statista, a national average. 0 is the number of PC gaming centers in this area. Expected annual customers 15,000 to 25,000 after the first year. Capitalize on micro-competitor market of the South Bay and surrounding areas. Maintain tight control of cost, operations, and cash flow. Party rooms for birthdays, sport teams, corporate parties, and special engagements. Provide a fun and safe competitive environment. Live stream league and event competitions, with advertising sold for in-stream overlays. Hourly passes. $10 for 1 hour makes annual sales $15,000 to $25,000. $15 for 2 hours makes annual sales $45,000 to $75,000. $20 for 4 hours makes annual sales $180,000 to $300,000. $40 for full day makes annual sales $60,000 to $100,000. Numbers based on projected gamers. GameLAN LLC will seek to acquire the funding necessary to operate for the first year. Build out a space 8 to 12,000 square feet with PC stations, party rooms, YouTube studio, and vending area. Hand-build gamer PCs that exceed the average home gamer's PC. Secure high-speed internet lines capable of lag-free gaming. Obtain all licensing and permits necessary to operate a business. Create a frenzied grand opening with popular gaming competitions, live YouTube streaming coverage, and prizes. Competitive and fun gaming leagues will fill the weekdays with gamers eager to hone their skills for the weekend tourneys. Sponsorships from local businesses will be actively pursued for tournaments and leagues. With over 150 PCs, consoles, and viewing areas, players and fans will enjoy time spent at GameLAN. Vending machines filled with snacks, merchandises and drinks. Kiosk systems for customers to select a station, amount of time, become members, and purchase tickets to future events. The local market for GameLAN has over 600 sports teams per year. The market also includes 8 high schools, 12 middle schools, 28 elementary schools, and 3 colleges. GameLAN eSports parties will be bookable online, and over the phone. Gaming teams formed for competition gaming, and to increase online presence. Gaming associates that are paid commission for booking parties, hosting parties, and creation of gaming leagues. Memberships with free monthly coupons and news. $85 for Tier 1, monthly 25 hours of gameplay, and party discounts. $150 for Tier 2, monthly 50 hours of play plus league, and party discounts. $250 for Tier 3, monthly 100 hours plus league, party and tourney discounts. $350 for Tier 4, 150 hours plus LPT discounts plus merchandise discount. $500 for Tier 5, unlimited hours, all discounts, and reserved station. GameLAN will prove to be a phenom, due to the fact that the challenge and fun factor is not limited by your physical size, age, or ability. A 20 to 50 PCs business model fails after 2 years, which is why GameLAN will boast at 150 minimum gaming PCs. Esports is the newest and most exciting form of entertainment today. In the local Torrance, California area, there is no strong competitor for an esports center. According to NPD, 91% of children play video games. Today's 7 to 12-year-olds play 2 to 5 hours daily. This age group will make up 35% of GameLAN's customers. Equally as many teenagers play games, but like variety. With Steam as GameLAN's main platform, they will have plenty to choose from, and will make up 25% of our customers. Young professionals will enjoy GameLAN for the competition and events. This group also has the most money to spend on gaming and will make up 15% of customer base. College students will make up 10% of our customers, as they look to blow off steam after studying. Emphasize GameLAN's ability to provide amazing parties, fun competitions, and a safe environment. Esport competitions with local tournament build-up, and YouTube coverage. Incentives to drive target markets to become members. Like party discounts, merchandise, and gaming lessons from pros. Above-average service for events and day-to-day operations. Equipment that surpasses their home PCs and connections. Online presence through creation of YouTube shows and live streaming of GameLAN events and teams. Leagues. $200 origination fee for a 6-player league. $300 origination fee for an 8-player 2-player league. $500 origination fee for a team league, 4 to 6 players, 4 teams. $1,500 origination for sponsored league 20-player slots. Extras. $20 each additional player. $100 for each additional hour. $150 meet twice a week. $75 trophies. And $50 for party room rental 1 hour. Video games have significantly impacted the general public since the early 1990s. Average gamers spend 2 to 4 hours per day gaming. Esports popularity has grown so fast, it's hardly been recognized for the phenomenon it is. GameLAN will strive to meet the needs of average gamers in the largest target group. GameLAN will be open when local schools are out, or for special engagements. GameLAN party sales associates will provide excellent service, per guidelines and commission sales agreement. The GameLAN experience will start with over 150 PCs and 20 consoles. There will be 4 party rooms, with 32 weekend slots and 8 daily weekday spots for parties and events. Weekday gaming leagues. Monthly tournaments and events. GameLAN, esports gaming teams, pro and semi-pro. YouTube channel shows with interviews, game tips and live streaming, staffed by local high school students. Advertising sales during popular streams and shows. Utilizing local school events, like back-to-school night, summer camp expos, school festivals, and silent auctions to get GameLAN into the community. Advertise through sports organizations, i.e., baseball, soccer, basketball, etc. GameLAN website and YouTube channel promotions. Tournaments that are locally sponsored. Light up billboard trailer that can be placed anywhere. And partner with local game shops. Tournaments. Sponsored tournaments start at $4,000 for 30 players. Include t-shirts and trophies. $350 for 5 more player spots. Merchandise and vending machines will also be available at all times. Parties. $300 for a 10-guest party, $20 for each additional guest. 3 hours of games, 2 pizzas, and 1 hour of a party room. Extras. Add an hour for $100. Add a pizza, or burgers for $15. Add party room time for $100 per hour. Game record drive for $50 each. Trophies for $15 each. Other merchandise at a 10% discount. Assuming only 15% of possible gamers for all services to include repeat visits. 15, 65, 20% relationship of these services. Walk-in, party, league. 85,000, 600,000, 45,000 gross annual income. Advertising and merchandise projection is $75,000 annual for first and second year, with increasing to $300,000 to $500,000 annual by fifth year. Based on world stream ad pricing and popularity of GameLAN. Over 1,000 followers on Twitter already. Monthly business cost of $34,000, fixed costs of business. Projected average monthly net income of $28,000. Budgets. Profit share, upgrades, tournaments, game team, vending, repair, and upkeep. Legal and accounting and miscellaneous. Upgrades will receive the highest percentage of the net income to keep GameLAN ahead of the competition and home PCs. Approximate breakdown. Bond repayment accounts funded first, then upgrades 18%, or $4,200. Game team 8%, or $2,000. Tournaments 10%, or $3,000. R&U 15%, or $3,800. Vending 15%, or $4,000. Legal and accounting, 10%, or $2,500. Miscellaneous, 4%, or $1,000. Yearly dispersal of funds to bondholders, every July. GameLAN. 7-year bonds, repaid principal at maturity date, plus quarterly profit share. Attaining GameLAN bonds, with securities, or stock with secure bank loans. 400 bonds to issued at $1,000 each after the first 5. Bonds to be considered unregistered, under Section D of exempt offering, with a Form D notice, to the SEC, to be filed.